parce que
So during the competition, we realized a lot of things.
avant d'entrer là-dedans, nous avons quand même passé dans cette université où nous avons quand même recueilli des formations.
So we went into some universities to take some information, to collect some information.
Donc les informations nous a nous a enrichi à
Those
pouvoir
informations enriched us to
à pouvoir entrer à pouvoir se reconstruire nous-mêmes, donc à recueillir des connaissances pour pouvoir aller sur le terrain.
So it really helped us with networking to then go in the ground, in the, yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, to
Et à
just go
cela quand
there.
même, cela quand même nous a aidé à bâtir efficacement mon life team.
So it really helped us to efficiently build our life team.
Jusqu'à ce que ça m'aide leur, leur d'enseignement, leur d'enseignement sur le terrain, ça m'aide à sauver, à, à m'aider à me faire comprendre dans la communauté vraiment, me soit comme une personne qui a des connaissances à rapport de ce que je disais.
Est-ce que vous pourriez reformuler ça, s'il vous plaît? Also, building that team also helped me to uh, rebuild myself.
Et,
Did it like
oui, moi
help?
aussi,
Did it help to grow your relationship with God or your confidence, or like how did it help to grow you personally?
Est-ce que quand vous dites que ça vous a construit, est-ce que ça vous a aidé avec votre relation avec Dieu ou à un autre niveau?
oui.
Yes, yes.
So like maybe tell us a bit about like how that being a part of your life team and growing that helped you to grow in your walk with God.
Est-ce que vous pourriez nous expliquer comment, du coup, ça vous a aidé à grandir dans votre chemin avec Dieu? Le fait de bâtir cette life team.
Et oui, ça m'a aidé à me bâtir dans le chemin de Dieu parce que j'ai compris que à travers ça, la vie, Dieu a, donc, Dieu a commencé avant que nous soyons au monde, avant que nous soyons au monde.
So I believe God started something before we came to the world.
Dieu a commencé à nous réfléchir avant que nous
So,
soyons au monde.
so God started to refresh us before we came to the world.
Nous étions dans les idées de Dieu avant que nous soyons vivants.
Nous étions dans, pardon, j'ai pas entendu le mot d'après.
Et nous étions dans les idées de Dieu.
We were in God's plans before we were even in this world.
C'est pourquoi, lorsqu'on est vivant, on a compris que vraiment nous sommes un projet de Dieu.
So that's why I understand that when we're alive, we're really a project of God.
Que personne n'a pas le droit à toucher sur nos vies.
And nobody is allowed to touch that project in our lives.
Je pense que j'ai répondu.
So I think I answered your question.
That's so cool. So I know that you guys trained 120 people, that you also started a total of 2 new life teams at a total of 7 trainings.
Donc, je sais que vous avez bâti 120. Attendez, je ne vais pas me tromper dans les chiffres. Vous avez fait entraîner 120 étudiants et vous avez construit à partir de là 57 life teams. Est-ce que c'est correct?
So I think you started 3 life teams. So
Oh,
could be.
okay. So vous avez construit 3 life teams.
Oui.
Okay.
So tell us, and also in that process, you guys helped 3 mothers to choose life from abortion.
Donc, dans ce processus, vous avez aidé trois mamans à choisir la vie.
Yeah, oui, 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 nous avons déjà sauvé trois mamans. Yeah.
So yes, indeed, we already saved three mothers from having abortion.
So can you tell us about how you met those mothers and what helped them to change their minds?
Est-ce que tu pourrais nous dire comment tu as rencontré ces mères et comment est-ce que tu les as aidées enfin, vous les avez aidées à changer d'avis?
Yeah, oui, vous voyez que nous avons formé tant de lifesavers.
So we really did a lot of life savings.
Et partout où nous sommes, il y a des jeunes que nous avons quand même formés et que nous travaillons ensemble.
Everywhere we are, like there's a lot of young people that we trained and we are working with them.
Il y a la première maman qui a été sauvée par nous à travers nous.
So the
Je peux,
first mom that has been saved through us.
et je peux me résumer. La première se sentait mal.
So the first hour she was feeling very bad.
Elle se rendait à l'hôpital pour se faire examiner.
So she went to the hospital to be checked up.
Après avoir
Excusez-moi, Renova, je vous ai mal entendu, il y avait une petite coupure. La phrase que vous venez juste de dire.
oui, le maman,
En fait, je crois qu'il y a un téléphone qui vibre de votre côté, du coup, ça coupe le son quand ça... Désolée. Sorry, I just told him that his phone is blocking the sound.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Est-ce que vous pouvez m'accorder la parole?
She's asking if she can speak.
Are you also from the NS Life Team?
Yes, je suis une des membres de l'équipe de Pro-Life NS du
So she's one
Burundi.
of the members of the NSA
wonderful.
from Burundi.
Yes, yes, please.
Oui, s'il vous plaît,
Ok,
vous pouvez prendre la parole.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
Thank you
je
very much.
m'appelle Isangwe Laure Marielle.
So my name is Isangi Laure Marielle.
Oui, je suis une des membres du team NS Pro-Life.
I'm one of
Et
the
aussi,
members of the NS Pro-Life in Burundi.
et aussi j'aimerais compléter où notre représentant il était parlé là.
Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter cette dernière phrase? Could you say that again, please?
Je vous dis que j'aimerais compléter où notre président est bloqué.
Oh, and I would like to complete where our president is being stuck at the moment.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
So thank you very
Pour la
much.
Ok. Pour la première question, il a déjà répondu que notre team est en action depuis moins d'une année.
So
Mais
he already answered the question saying that our team is not 1 year yet.
Et aussi, j'aimerais vous dire que nous sommes actifs dans les activités sur terrain.
And I would like to tell you
ici
that
au
we are
Burundi.
also active in the field here in Burundi.
Et le première chose que nous avons fait, nous avons recherché des données. J'aimerais
So,
dire que
as you said, like the first thing we did is like to collect information, data.
oui, nous avons allé dans les autres universités, dans les autres campus, et aussi pour voir comment nous pouvons parler avec les jeunes.
So we
Et
went into
aussi,
other universities and campuses to see how we could connect and talk with the youth.
et aussi, ce que nous avons vu, c'est qu'il y a une autre organisation qui s'appelle ProChoix.
And we saw that
No,
there's another organization called
yes,
Pro-Choice.
ProChoix. Yes,
Pro-Choice.
yes. Et aussi, je peux ajouter que leurs informations est comme, je dirais que ce sont les contradictoires de nous parce
And
que
I could
nous,
say that their informations are a bit contradictory compared to the ones we have because
parce que je dirais que notre organisation, c'est pour sauver la vie. La vie,
because,
c'est,
because our organization is meant to save lives.
oui, pour sauver la vie et aussi, euh, je dirais que je peux ajouter que nous avons déjà sauvé la vie de 3 enfants.
And
3
I would add
enfants.
that we already saved the lives of 3 kids.
Et jusqu'à maintenant, nous avons 3 cas. Le premier
So
cas
far, we
est,
have 3 cases. The first case is
le premier cas, c'était une fille qui s'appelle Diane, que
so
nous
it
avons
was a
rencontrée.
woman called Diane,
Diana,
Diana, yeah.
que nous avons rencontrée. Je me souviens, c'était jour, elle était like, près loin de l'hôpital après la consultation et aussi
Vous avez dit,
après la
excusez-moi,
consultation.
qu'elle elle était près de l'hôpital après la
Yeah,
consultation? Okay, so
et après
this lady was close to
yeah,
the hospital right after her consultation.
après la consultation parce que elle nous a dit qu'elle avait mal au ventre.
Because she told us that she was having stomachache.
Et aussi, après la consultation, elle a constaté qu'elle est enceinte.
And
Et
after
aussi,
her consultation, she realized she was pregnant.
oui. Et aussi, après ça, elle nous a dit que même elle ne souvient pas quel est le père de l'enfant.
And after that,
Elle
she told us, like, I don't remember who's the father of the child.
yeah. Et aussi, elle était comme fou, like.
And she really looked like crazy.
Yes. Et aussi, comme nous étions, comme nous sommes membres du groupe Pro-Life.
And as we are members of the pro-life group,
et nous avons approché et nous dire elle comment les choses sont. Nous avons la montré les vidéos en utilisant les vidéos que nous avons.
So as members of the pro-life group, we showed her the videos that we had.
Yeah, et aussi, elle a vraiment compris. J'ai vu avec like au visage.
And I could see in her face, in her eyes, that
yeah, qu'elle a vraiment tourné les idées parce
that she
qu'elle
really
était,
changed her mind.
yeah, parce qu'elle avait idée de faire avortement.
Because she was really thinking to abort.
Yes. Et aussi, deuxième cas.
So the second case.
Deuxième cas, c'était à université, dans
So it was
l'université.
in a university.
Wait,
Il y
can I
a,
just,
c'était,
before we go into the second case, can I ask a question? How did you meet Diana in the first
Donc,
place?
avant d'aller au second cas, est-ce que vous pouvez nous rappeler comment vous avez rencontré Diane?
c'était tout près, like, tu vois, un hôpital. Et
So you see,
aussi,
like, there was a
le,
hospital.
il y a un terrain de l'hôpital parce que l'hôpital,
It
c'était
was like in
grand
the surroundings of the hospital.
après l'hôpital, comme ça.
So it's like
Le-
really in the surroundings, like a bit just right after the hospital.
il y a un terrain de l'hôpital, mais dehors, dehors.
I mean, like just outside the hospital. It was not
Yeah.
inside.
And did you
Yeah.
see like so you were just asking students the question of what do you think about abortion? And you
Donc,
happened to ask her, or how did
est-ce
you
que
connect with
so,
her?
à ce moment-là, vous étiez en train de demander aux étudiants ce qu'ils pensaient de l'avortement et vous l'avez rencontrée comme ça ou enfin de quelle manière c'est arrivé que vous êtes entré en contact avec elle?
Je vous dirais que nous avons rencontré dans son terrain et après, nous étions dans
Mais
nous étions
est-ce que c'est vous qui êtes allé lui parler? Like, is that you who went directly talk to her? Or like she came? Est-ce qu'elle est venue ou c'est vous?
la situation est que
So here's the situation.
la situation est que nous étions laisse-moi te montrer. Tu vois, comme ça, ici, c'est hôpital.
So here you
OK?
see like this is the hospital.
Et après, il y a un terrain.
And after
Un
like there's a
terrain
field
où les personnes passent. C'est hôpital, terrain et la rue.
and then you have the street, so hospital, the field and the street.
Et dans ce lieu, tu peux voir une personne qui est like, comment dire,
I think we lost her.
I think so too. Renovat, are you still there?
Renova, est-ce que vous êtes encore là?
J'ai déjà revenu, je suis revenu.
So sorry, I came back.
Pardon, on me téléphonait beaucoup. C'est pourquoi
Please forgive me,
j'ai.
I received some calls, that's why I had to
Et
go. Est-ce que vous pourriez continuer l'histoire de votre collègue, de
il y a,
raconter comment vous avez rencontré Diane? So could
oui,
you please like keep going with the story? Okay.
comment nous avons rencontré Diane. Et je disais que après avoir que une maman se sentait mal à l'aise et que les consultations montrent que il était.
Donc c'est vous qui avez vu directement qu'elle allait pas bien et vous êtes allé la voir.
Non, la maman se sentait mal.
So she was not feeling great.
Elle se rendait à l'hôpital.
She was about actually to go to the hospital. So I guess they meet
Mais
her like in the field.
elle ne sait pas de comment elle était malade.
So she didn't know what was the problem that she was
But
having.
it sounds like it was during an outreach that you guys met her, right? You were already trying to have conversations with people, and she just happened to be one of the people that you had a conversation with.
La
Is
question
that
c'est, est-ce que ça vous est arrivé pendant un moment, les moments où vous parlez normalement aux étudiants, ou est-ce que c'était une coïncidence? Est-ce qu'elle faisait partie des personnes à qui vous étiez censé parler ce jour-là?
Vous pouvez me répéter?
Oui. En fait, Bethany demande si le jour où vous avez rencontré Diane, est-ce que c'était le même jour que vous avez parlé avec des étudiants? Est-ce qu'elle faisait partie des personnes à qui vous étiez censé parler de l'avortement ou est-ce que c'est
D'ac-
arrivé d'une manière différente?
D'accord. Oui,
Oui, c'était différent. Oui, elle faisait partie des personnes.
Yes, yes. So they were doing outreach and having conversations with people already, and she was one of the girls they have to
OK.
speak to during that outreach. Okay, amazing. Okay, so I just want to also say Victor, who's our leader he's a mentor of the group in Nigeria that also won. He just joined. So I know he had some technical issues, but happy Victor, welcome. We're going to introduce you, Victor, in a minute. We'll just finish hearing from Renovet the stories of the other couple girls who chose life. So,
Non,
Renovet, if you can
Renova,
share the
oui.
stories of the other two, that'd be great.
Donc, Renova Victor va venir après vous, mais s'il vous plaît, est-ce que vous pouvez du coup nous expliquer les deux autres cas? Où il y a le cas de Diane, est-ce que vous pouvez continuer avec le cas 2 et 3?
Oui, le cas le cas de,
So the second case,
l'autre cas, c'était à l'Université Lumière.
so it was at the Lumière University.
Il y a pendant un outreach où nous avons rencontré une fille
So we met that girl during one of our outreach,
et elle nous disait qu'elle est enceinte.
and so she came and said that she was pregnant.
Et la grossesse a été engrossée par un homme taxi-vélo.
So sadly, she has been like, how do you say that? She became pregnant because of a man being very violent with her.
Et que la fille vraiment et que la fille vraiment ne se sentait bien à l'aise de porter ne se sentait bien de porter une grossesse dans un taxi vélo. Et ici au Burundi, un taxi vélo est considéré comme un homme très pauvre.
So she was really not feeling to have that pregnancy because in Burundi, those kind of men are really considered like to be poor. The guys who do the taxi velo is like, when you go like to India, you can go on the back and it's like a bike. It's like called taxi velo. Okay.
Malgré
Merci.
que la fille, elle était une universitaire.
So even though she was going to the university, so studying,
Elle nous disait
didn't
qu'elle
go.
elle nous disait qu'elle avait enlevé, donc elle voulait enlever une grossesse.
So she said she wanted to end the pregnancy.
Mais à travers les flyers, on l'a montré une grossesse comment un bébé est dans le ventre.
So through our flyers, we showed her how a pregnancy is when the baby is in the womb.
On l'a montré comment lorsque on fait l'avortement, comment sa bébé aurait découpé.
So we really showed her like what would happen if she was going to have an abortion, like how they would cut the baby.
Donc on enlève les parties donc par démembrement, vous voyez.
So like how they would remove every part of his body, of the baby's body.
On l'a montré comment après le démembrement les parties d'une fille, les parties d'un bébé comment donc en image, voilà.
So we really showed a picture of what would happen if the baby was cut, dismembered, I think is the word.
Elle a compris. Donc elle devenait émotionnelle.
So she understood right away and she became very emotional.
Et nous avons continué à la montrer que la vie d'un bébé n'a pas de sens, n'a pas de rencontre avec un homme en taxi vélo qui l'a engrossé.
N'a pas de lien.
Donc,
Okay, so we were trying to tell her that her pregnancy was not having a direct link with that man who made her be pregnant.
Yes, que le métier d'un taxi vélo et le bébé n'a pas de lien.
That the job of a taxi velo and the life of the baby had no link.
C'est ainsi que une fille a compris qu'elle peut quand même laisser l'enfant à grandir dans son ventre.
So that's when she decided that she wanted to let the baby grow in her womb.
Et nous l'a promis que nous allons continuer à l'approcher.
And we promised her that we would keep contacting her.
Et c'est grâce au frère, vraiment que nous avons sauvé cet enfant. Car lorsque nous n'avions pas de frères,
So it's
je pense
really
que
thanks to the flyers that we saved her, because when we were not having those flyers,
les mots seulement ne pouvaient pas quand même nous aider à sauver,
like
à faire comprendre.
words were not enough. Like with the flyers, it's really impactful because you have like the picture
Et,
of what's really happening. Merci.
Okay, so that was the third baby saved, correct? Was through the flyer.
I think so. I thought it was just the second, but I guess it
The
was
third.
the third one.
Okay, Victor, can you introduce yourself? Victor, I know you're the mentor from GSS Hayasa. Can you introduce yourself and tell us who you are and how and why you got involved with the Life Team?
Okay, good evening, everyone. From my side here this evening, and good day to you. My name is Victor Peter Aga. I'm from Piakasa, a staff in Piakasa, GSS Piakasa, and a patron of FCS. So my team, or the GSS Piakasa Life Team, which title, their name is Right to Life. That's the name of their team. So during the summer activities, we have engaged in series of conversation, or let me say they engage in series of conversation with so many community people and even students as well. And then they have come up with some new groups and new members. And we have a success story, I must say, a success story, a big one, of a baby saved. And I've even reported that with even the picture, we went and even took the picture of the baby and everything. So Annie Esther was a young, passionate girl. Esther was a young, passionate girl who was in SS1, and she got pregnant. And Jessica was a member of the Pro-Life, who now was a friend of Annie Esther. And when she gets to understand that Annie Esther was pregnant, in the course of the outreaches, she now have a conversation with her friend, which was Annie Esther, and she encouraged her and showed her reasons why she needed to keep the pregnancy. Even though Annie Esther was thinking she's still young, she's still in SS1, she has a long way to go, but she listened to Jessica and kept the pregnancy. So by August, she delivered a bouncing baby boy. And we even snapped and even forwarded the picture. We're even soliciting for a support for Annie Esther as well, because she has to leave the school. Because in Nigeria here, the law says if you are pregnant or you're having a baby, you can no longer be a student until maybe when you have taken care of the baby. So she has to step out of school now, and she's now at home. So this is just a summary brief of the activities have been engaged by the team. Thank you.
So she's a current student at your high school, the high school there, correct?
Yes, she's a student, but the law says any student that got pregnant or has a baby can no longer be a student until she has taken care of the baby first. So she has to drop out from the school.
And how long does she have to drop out of school first for?
For the meantime, maybe when she has finished breastfeeding the baby, and maybe when the baby has started taking some food supplements and the baby can stay at home, she cannot return back to school. Yes,
Okay, that makes sense.
yes,
So, are you a teacher, did you say, at GSS Picasa? Or you
yes. I'm
you
a
are,
chemistry
okay.
teacher. Yes.
Your chemistry teacher. Okay. So, how
Yes.
did you find out about the pro-life work there? And what made you decide to be the mentor for the life team?
Yeah, actually, before I became a teacher, I worked with so many NGOs. So I was passionate to work with NGOs. And the ProLife gave us an invitation through the FCS. So I was the FCS patron, and we went there and we had a very interactive session and seminars, let me say, by Tobiko Musanka, and yes, the other auntie from Uganda almost escaped. Name escaped my mind. Yeah. So during that moment, I was so moved and I was passionate. So I feel it's a good one for me to be part of it. That's how I decided to join. I will team up with them and we work as a team. So and since they have created the team and I'm among them, so I always coordinate and always supervise their activities.
That's amazing. So, I know that you guys started to start life teams at some of the other schools as well. I have a note that
Yes,
you guys started 2 new life teams as well.
yes,
Where
yes.
did you start those at? And how were you able to start those life teams?
Yes, when during the and the other activities, the student has been engaging in some conversation and outreaches. So we have some other schools around, which is the junior school, and where one of the club was established, the junior school, JSS Piakasa, Right to Life, and then the Equa Gospel Academy, another school where another group was established. When we have so many passionate students who are willing to be members of the pro-life movement. So they were now introduced and a group was set, and with the help of the other team members and the leaders, work effectively to make sure that the team, the group has been set perfectly.
I have a note that you guys trained 661 other people as a club. Was that you, or was that your other student leaders who are part of your life team?
Yes, the groups, that's the students and the other groups, or let me say the members of the team of the pro-life, has been engaging in some series of conversation and even some trainings as well. So even in the church areas, they engage in some seminars, in the schools as well, they engage some seminars, and in some community gatherings or even some market areas as well.
And I have a note that you guys saved a total of 4 girls from abortion. I know you told us the
Yes,
story about one student. Do you know the
yes.
stories of the other 3?
Yes, the first student was one that I said she has even delivered, and we even took pictures and everything. The other one, she was thinking of aborting her pregnancy. She's from the community. She's pregnant, but she was ashamed of the pregnancy. But at the moment, when she came across the pro-life team, which they gave her the flyers, they told her the concept and the importance of life, the reasons why she has to keep the pregnancy. When she told one of the team member that she's pregnant. So now the team member, who is Alami Emanuela, was the one that now encouraged her, show her reasons why she need to keep the baby and the life is important. That's how she now decide to keep the pregnancy, because she was thinking it's a thing of shame at her age at that time to keep a baby. But Emanuela make her to see reasons why she should keep the pregnancy, and she accepted. And there's another lady again from another community, AY Asokoro. She was pregnant, and on the outreaches that were going out, we came across the team members. So one of the team members, which was Peace Gang, now talked to her about the pro-life, and she was now encouraged to keep the baby and feeling so much well that even when she may not get support, she know that there are people that care and support can still reach out to her anytime. But she decided to keep the pregnancy as well. And even to the fourth one, they met in the community when they are on their outreach. So they came across her, and she's pregnant as well, with so many thoughts of taking off or aborting the pregnancy. But when she come across the pro-life, and they really discuss a lot with her and show her reasons why she should keep the pregnancy. And she said, though she's an adult, she can take care of herself, she works for herself, but from the beginning, she was thinking of aborting the pregnancy. But she says since she's working and she can take care of the baby and herself, she decided to keep the pregnancy.
Wow. That is so amazing to hear. So thank you so much, Victor, for sharing this. A
Thank you.
question I have for you as well before you go is so the team qualified for a $250 entrepreneurship grant because of winning the award. Has the team discussed what kind of business that you would like to start?
Yes, actually, we talked with the team members and we came up with something that will be more of skill that could support even the students and maybe some of the mothers who decide to keep their babies and they don't have a source of livelihood. So we think setting up a tailoring shop will be a good one, which is more like fashion design, and they will learn skills of how to sew, and then they will have a treasurer among them that can be saving money. And others, if they want to come for training as well, they can come for training. And if an outsider will come for training as well, maybe there will be a levy that he will pay. So, so that the cost of the group will be reimbursed. Though we make some market survey at the moment, the money may not meet up with all the materials, but I think we will look for a way to see how it becomes reality. That is our target, just to have a business that will have skills, and those skills that can empower even the student and even the caregiver or the mother of the baby. Like someone like Annie Esther that is no more in school now, she may not be doing anything, but if there's a shop where she can learn tailoring, by then she can learn skills, and in future it will help her. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, that's great. I think that's a really awesome idea. And I know in Burundi, they have started a tailoring workshop as well. So you could talk to Emmanuel to get ideas of what they have done there. I would love to hear. Thank you so much, Victor. Stay on for questions, please. We're going to have questions in a couple minutes. I want to hear, though, from the NS Life team what their business plan is.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Victor. Please stay on for questions in a minute.
All right. Thanks.
Can you translate, Julia, for the NS Life team? Let's ask them what their business plan is.
Sure. La NS Life du Burundi, est-ce que vous pouvez nous expliquer c'est quoi votre business plan?
I know they're planning on starting a restaurant, so maybe you can ask to have them share more about that.
Apparemment, vous êtes sur le point de construire un restaurant. Est-ce que vous pourriez nous dire plus sur ça?
Renovat or Laura?
Renovat, est-ce que vous êtes là? Ou Laura, Marielle? Oui, merci. Oui, on vous écoute. We're listening to you.
Okay.
projet que nous avons choisi, c'est de faire un restaurant qui, comme tu viens de dire ça, la raison pour laquelle nous avons choisi ça, c'est parce que d'abord, le restaurant ici au Burundi, c'est vraiment, je dirais, le business qui est actif maintenant parce
So
que
the
il
reason why
prend
we
un certain
chose
capital.
to do restaurants is because in Burundi, restaurants is the first one of the number one businesses.
Yes, oui,
Because you
et
need a few
aussi,
capital. Mhm.
oui, et aussi c'est facile à faire
And it's easy to do because
parce que tu peux avoir les aliments à cuisiner tout près de toi parce qu'il y a des marchés.
it's
Et
very easy to
aussi,
get the food because you have markets just around you.
et aussi à Bujumbura, c'est le capital. Je crois que tu connais ça. C'est le capital économique. Pardon, pardon. Et Bujumbura, c'est le capital.
So
Et
Bujumbura is
aussi,
the economic capital of Burundi.
oui, et aussi, il y a beaucoup de personnes. C'est-à-dire
And there's
le
plenty of
profit,
people there.
oui, le profit, ça va venir rapidement.
So it's maximizing the profit.
Oui, et aussi, pour l'autre idée qui était derrière ça, c'est que,
And the other idea behind that project was
oui, c'est que nous avons regardé, est-ce que quelles sont les choses, ces deux filles allô?
oui, je vous écoute.
Tu m'entends?
Oui, il y a un petit décalage, mais je vous entends toujours. There's a
Oui.
little delay, but we
Quel
still hear
est
you.
le travail? Quel est le but?
Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter
Oui,
cette raison-là?
nous avons
Laisse-moi,
pensé, est-ce que quel est le but? Il y a mauvaise. OK.
So I think Renovat is
OK,
going
tu
to
peux
take over.
continuer. Machane, tu peux continuer.
Laisse-moi le prendre. Nous avons, comme elle vient de le dire, nous avons choisi ce projet de faire un restaurant ici à Bujumbura parce que en voyant les moyens que nous avons, c'est un projet d'abord rentable.
So it's a rentable project, like profitable from a money perspective.
Facile à évaluer quotidiennement.
Easy to evaluate daily.
Aussi, c'est un projet qui peut donner de l'emploi. Par exemple, nous allons donner l'emploi aux femmes sauveurs, aux femmes que nous avons sauvées.
And it's very nice because it can create jobs, and we were planning to give jobs to the ladies that we saved from getting abortions.
Et la rentabilité annuelle, mensuelle, quand même nous aidera à nous sortir
Yeah.
de
And
certaines choses, par exemple de l'impression des flyers ou tout autre besoin quand même que nous aurons besoin à bâtir notre vie,
so
à bâtir notre
the money we will make monthly or yearly will really help us with things like printing the flyers, etc.
yeah.
Merci.
From the
Thank you.
restaurant. Wonderful. Okay. So I think this is, yes, I'm so excited to hear about what you guys have done. I want to, Thad asked a couple questions. So let's answer Thad's questions here. The first one is, what are some of the larger challenges your team faced in accomplishing your goals? Maybe we could start with Mr. Victor, and then we'll go back to, or I see Laura is there. So yeah, we'll start with Victor then. Okay, what are some of the challenges? The second question for you is, how has working with Pro-Life Global helped your faith/walk with God? Maybe you can answer both of those together, Victor.
Okay, you said the second question is how. Please, can you come again? The second question.
How has working with Pro-Life Global and starting this life team helped your faith and walk with God?
Okay. The first one, the challenges, I might say, is from the beginning, it's not really easy, especially when others see the young ones coming to preach on the lifestyle and abortion of a thing. Some took it as a challenge. They tried challenging some of the team members. Some even asked them a challenging questions, but I say they just need to be smart to know how to answer them and know how to attack any response that comes to their way. And if someone doesn't want to engage in any conversation with them, there's no need of forcing the conversation with such person. That was one. And secondly, the little issue is that getting some schools permission, we have to go through some of the administrative body first, because you cannot just come and just enter organization or a school or some other corporate place with your flyers and just say you want to have a conversation with someone. So there must be somebody who is there to stand and now seek for permission before you can access such organizations, schools, or other areas. But when it is the community cycle or the market square, we don't really have issues with that. But I think these are just the basic concepts. And the flyers have already said it all. And the students are even interested to join the group. So, but my work with Pro-Life and faith in God is really awesome. I didn't really see it as a work because, first of all, I'm a Christian and I'm a patron with FCS. So I find this as more like evangelism. I find this as more like saving life. I see this as more like preaching. So I didn't really find it that more challenging. Though sometimes after a hectic day at work, we'll still be out there on the sun, moving from one place to another to make sure that we have a conversation, we share flyers. It wasn't easy, but it's more like preaching. So the challenges is not that really there. And I think these are just the basic thing, though we have been receiving flyers and other equipment, just that the students even requested for other stops if we can have them in large quantity, like the t-shirts or more of the caps, I think, so that more of means of identification. That's what I want to say. We can have more of means of identification. I think that is another basic challenge. If we can have more of the means of identification, it will help. So from a distance, people will know that these are Pro-Life team. Though we have, but it's not enough considering the fact that we have a new more teams. So there's an increase. So I think these are the only concepts. Thank you.
So having a means of identification helps people to see you on an outreach and to know who you are.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
That makes sense. Yeah. Thank you, Victor. All
You're
right.
welcome.
Stay on again for if there's more questions. But Renovant or Laura, can you guys share about the challenges you faced and also about how this has helped you to grow in your walk with God?
Renovat, est-ce que vous pouvez nous dire quel a été le ou les plus grands challenges auxquels vous avez fait face? Et aussi la deuxième question, comment le fait de travailler avec Pro-Life Global vous a aidé dans votre foi ou votre marche avec Dieu? Merci.
Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Euh, euh, premier problème que nous avons rencontré au challenge,
So the first problem or challenge that we faced was
vraiment, c'était très pénible de recevoir une permission d'entrer à l'université pour enseigner en taquiner association.
it was very hard to have a permission to teach in a university as an NGO.
Parce que les représentants, quant à eux, ils pensent que c'est une organisation à but, donc à but lucratif, que nous avons de l'argent, que nous
Yeah.
sommes riches, que nous pouvons payer des salaires ou bien.
So the problem was that they were really thinking that we were having money, that we were rich, that we could pay for locals like rooms.
Ok, deuxième problème vraiment très grave est que lorsque on est en contact avec une fille et qu'elle soit sauvée, donc tous se voulaient que on les aide partout, dans tous les problèmes.
And the other problem, which was the biggest one, is that most of those girls, like when their point was to help with anything related to abortion, but then they would expect them to help with all their problems.
Parce que souvent, vous savez que ils ont des problèmes financiers, problèmes liés à leur famille.
Because they
Vous
would
voyez,
have like financial problems related to their families, etc.
c'est ça gravement le problème, mais aussi nous remercions Pro-Life Global. Pro-Life Global nous a aidé à nous donner des flyers.
But we really thank Pro-Life Global because you guys really help with the flyers.
Aussi, on ne peut pas laisser à remercier Dieu et les mentorship donné par Dr. Nzeyimana Emmanuel.
And we also thank God and the mentorship received by Dr. I missed the name, sorry.
Et nous continuons
Sorry.
à prier Dieu et le remercier. Nous pensons qu'avec Dieu et avec tout ça, que nous allons quand même avancer.
So we really believe that thanks to God, we will keep moving with all of this. Merci, Renouva. Thank you.
Can you ask how has this helped him in his walk with God?
Maintenant, Renouva, oui. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous dire comment votre travail avec Pro-Life Global vous a directement impacté dans votre foi ou votre cheminement avec Dieu?
Vous pouvez me répéter
Oui,
pour moi?
oui, pas de problème. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous expliquer comment comment travailler avec Pro-Life Global vous a aidé avec votre foi, avec votre relation avec Dieu?
Oui. Moi, travailler avec Pro-Life m'a aidé à encore approcher.
So I would say that Pro-Life Global helped me to get closer to God.
Et parce que leur mentorship, Dr. Nzeyimana Emmanuel nous a donné des Bibles qui nous aident quotidiennement à lire certains versets.
Because they really help with the mentorship, and Emmanuel helped us with the Bibles, getting Bibles, and it helped us with reading Bible verses.
Et grâce à ça, quand même, nous a encore réveillé d'approcher Dieu,
And because of that, we really got awakened even more to really get closer to God.
Et quand nous avons vu que vraiment le travailler avec Pro-Life, c'est un travail donc de foi qui nécessite donc la foi.
Because we believe that I believe that working with Pro-Life Global is really a question of faith. It's a faith work.
Donc c'est le travail de se donner corps. Et donc, c'est le travail de se donner corps et âme parce qu'il n'y a pas de salaire.
So it's really a work where you give yourself away because there's no salary.
Il y a pas de salaire. Et c'est ainsi quant à moi, j'ai vu ce travail et comment le pasteur d'église travaille.
Donc, vous avez vu que vous pouvez répéter ça, pardon, la dernière phrase. Can you please repeat the last sentence?
C'est ainsi que j'ai comparé le travail avec. Donc,
Okay.
j'ai comparé travailler en pasteur en Save Life.
So I can really compare the fact of being a pastor to being a lifesaver because there's a lot of similarities.
De la même façon, c'est de la même façon, voilà. Yeah.
Now for me, it's really the same.
Yeah, c'est ça, en fait.
Merci, Renovat.
Wow,
Merci
thank
vous.
you so much, Renovat. And you're a student right now, currently, correct?
Renovat, est-ce que vous pouvez confirmer que vous êtes actuellement un étudiant?
Oui, actuellement, moi, je suis encore étudiant.
Yes,
à
indeed.
l'université de
I'm still a student here in Burundi.
And what is he studying?
Vous étudiez où, Renovat?
à l'ENS.
À l'ENS.
But
Yeah,
what is he
l'ENS.
studying? What's
C'est
his
quoi,
subject?
c'est quoi la matière principale que vous étudiez?
L'ENS, c'est école normale supérieure. J'étudie d'enseigner
Oh,
les élèves.
c'est pour devenir professeur.
Oui.
Okay, so that's a school to become a teacher. It's like the specific schools to become teachers. Merci.
Merci.
Merci vous aussi.
Thank you all for coming, for joining today, for asking questions. Thank you especially to Pastor, well, then pastors are lifesavers, right? So to our leaders, Victor, who's mentoring the GSS Picasa group, thank you so much. Thank you, Renovat, as well. And Laura Brunel, thank you so much. Thank you, Juliana, for translating. Thank you, everybody else, for listening in. All of your feedback, the things you shared as your challenges, I wrote notes on that, and I'll be also bringing that up with our team as well, so we can find better ways to help support you guys, because we know it is hard, the work you're doing, and we know you're sacrificing and you're taking time and effort to save lives. So thank you. Thank you for being a lifesaver like Jesus has saved each of us. Can you translate that, Juliana? Thank you so much.
Oui, Renovat, Bethany vous remercie vraiment pour tout le travail que vous faites et merci de faire comme Jésus et de vraiment aller sauver les âmes. Donc vraiment, du fond du cœur, merci pour tout le travail réalisé jusqu'à présent.
Is there any other final questions people have or things they would like to say to our Pro-Life Global team before we close?
Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres questions que vous souhaiteriez poser à Pro-Life Global avant qu'on termine?
Okay. I just want to appreciate the Pro-Life team Global for their support, and I think this movement needs to be shared far abroad because there are so many villages and so many communities that also need such awareness, because most people in the communities and other villages around find it difficult. So I hope that Pro-Life Global, with the growing up of the team that we have on ground and with the strength and facility, it will be possible for us to be able to reach out to so many communities. And I pray that more efforts will be placed so that such awareness will reach so many communities, because it really helps and it saves a lot of life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Victor. Yes. Renovat, I see your hand is raised as well.
Mais Renovat, on voit que votre main est levée. On vous écoute.
Renovat, did you want to say something?
Renovat, est-ce que vous voulez dire quelque chose ou...
Euh, j'aimerais demander,
Mhm.
et vous voyez que nous avons quand même gagné cette compétition.
Yeah, I would like to ask something. So, as you see, we won this competition.
Et que la prochaine fois, il y aura d'autres compétitions.
I would like to ask if next time
Yeah.
there will be other competitions.
Est-ce que nous serons éligibles?
Will we be eligible for that?
We we have right now there's another competition going, a fall competition, which Emmanuel should have told you about. But
Donc,
the
en
fall
ce moment, il y a une autre compétition qui est en cours et je pense qu'Emmanuel vous en a parlé.
Ah oui, ok, merci.
So, and we have multiple levels for this competition. I will put the notes for you guys in the chat here so you can see what are the competition rules.
Donc, il y a
And
plusieurs niveaux pour ces compétitions et elle va mettre dans le chat ici les règles. Comme ça, vous pouvez regarder.
we would love to have you guys apply. Yes. So, Mr. Victor, hopefully you can see those as well and make sure that you share those with your teams that you're mentoring.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Thank you guys. All right, Laura, did you want to say something?
Laure, est-ce que vous voulez dire quelque chose?
We can't hear you.
On n'entend pas, on n'a pas le son, Laure.
Vous m'entendez?
Oui, maintenant, we can hear you.
Ok, merci beaucoup. J'aimerais vous remercier pour votre support
No, I would really like to thank you for your support.
et aussi j'aimerais ajouter que nous avons vu qu'il y a la valeur ajoutée en ce que en ce que nous sommes en train de faire dans notre communauté.
So we can really see that there's an added value to what we are about to do in our community.
Et aussi, j'aimerais vous dire aussi que je vous remercie encore pour votre confiance en notre équipe.
And really
Oui.
thank you again for your trust in our team.
Et je vois qu'à l'avance, nous avons vous amener vraiment le résultat positif. Merci beaucoup.
And I think we will really have a positive result. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. All right, let's close in prayer. Thad, would you mind closing us in prayer?
Yes. Let us pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you so much for this day. We thank you so much for the opportunity just to serve you, to receive your love, and to share your love with others, with our neighbors, with our family, with our friends. Please help all of us on this call and everyone in our lives to be defenders of the faith and of life. And please bless the work of our hands, and please bless Pro-Life Global and all its efforts to save your beloved little ones. We pray all of this in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you all. All right.
You're
God bless
welcome.
you and have a great rest of your day.
Yeah.
God bless.
You too. Bless you too.
Bye.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, do you want to say anything to close? Everybody, if you can turn your camera on, we'll take a group picture. Anyone who can turn their camera on. That would be lovely.
Yes, Prosper. Open your
Okay.
mic.
All right. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Renova, you want to join? Okay. All right. We got a great picture here. Awesome. All right. God bless you guys. Thank you all. Have a great night.
Thank you. Bethany, I think there's a question in the chat. I don't know if we have time for it, but
Oh, there's a question. Okay.
yeah,
Let's see.
Samuel, yeah, it's Samuel. He's asking a question.
I did not see that. Oh, he said, I'm a lifesaver from Burundi. I would like to ask about the Life Team Global, which regularly organizes the Life Saver Conference for everybody. Can you maybe ask him in French to explain more what he means?
Samuel, est-ce que vous pouvez nous expliquer un peu plus ce que vous entendez par votre question?
Good afternoon. You hear me?
Yes, we hear you. Yes.
I am student at the University of Burundi, Lifesaver, because campus here with NS campus Life Team NS.
Est-ce que would you mind repeating that, because I think your sound was a bit
It sounds
stuck
like
at the beginning.
it sounds like he's from the NS Life Team as well.
Oh, ok. Samuel, est-ce que vous pouvez poser votre question en français éventuellement et je vous traduis en anglais?
Okay, Samuel, how about you ask your question to Emmanuel, the Burundi national leader, and he can answer that for you. So, everybody else, have a great rest of your night. And yes, we look forward to staying in touch. God bless you. Thank you for all your work to save
Thank you.
lives.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.